Welcome students. Today I am performing an activity in which I am pouring some objects into this water. This is a ball full of water. Okay, it is big ball which is full of water. Now I am pouring different type of objects which is different in shape, size, color, as well as uses, material. Everything is different in this. Okay, now my first object is this pencil. Now this pencil is made with the material of wood and some chemicals. Okay, so I am pouring or throwing. Okay, I am throwing this pencil into this ball. Then let us see what will going to happen, whether it will float or sink. Okay students, so let's see. I am throwing this pencil into this ball. Now what will going to happen? It has floated. Okay, see, it is floating because of its weight. Its weight is very light. Okay, it is very light in weight, so that is why it has just floated. Now I have piece of cloth. This is piece of cloth, cotton cloth. Okay, now I am throwing into this full of water bowl. Okay, see, it is also floated. Now this is feather of pigeon. Now what will going to happen? Let us see whether it is float or sink. So it is also floating. Now this is leaf. Okay, tulsi leaf. Now it is very light in weight, so what will going to happen? Let us see. I am throwing this leaf. It is also floated. Now my next object is this key. Okay, now it is very heavy weight, so what will going to happen? Whether it is floating or sinking, what will going to happen? Let us see. It is sink down. See, now there is 1 rupee coin. Okay, again I am throwing into this bowl. It is also sunk out. नीचे गिर गया ये. Okay, sink हो गया means नीचे गिर गया. This is all floating. See what is happening to this cloth and this feather. Now this is thermocol. Okay, this is thermocol. Now see, slowly see what happened. That cloth, that piece of cloth, when this piece of cloth has absorbs water absolutely. ओके मीन्स जब वो पूरा पानी जो है अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया उस पीस ऑफ क्लोथ ने. ओके, तो क्या हुआ, वो अभी फ्लोट कर रहा था. ओके, नाउ इट हैज़ संक डाउन. ओके, संक डाउन मीन्स वो सिंक हो गया, नीचे गिर गया, चला गया. ओके, बिकॉज उस टाइम उसका वेट हो गया था, अच्छा खासा हैवी हो गया था वो, बिकॉज इट हैज़ एब्जॉर्ब वाटर. बेसिकली इट इज़ कॉटन क्लोथ, दैट्स वाई. Okay, now my last object is this is thermocol. Now what will going to happen when I am throwing into this water? It is also floated around. Now there are 4 objects which are still floating in this water. Well, first is pencil, second is leaf, third is this thermocol, fourth is this feather. Now which object has sunk down? Key, coin and a piece of cloth. See, this is piece of cloth. Okay, जब इसने पूरा पानी एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया एब्सोल्युटली, ओके, तो हुआ क्या? It has sunk down, and because the weight of key and coin is very heavy, so that's why it immediately sunk down. Okay students, so I hope that you have understand about this the purpose of this activity. Okay, the purpose of this activity is to show you that there are so many objects, okay, around you which are floating, heavy in weight, different weight, size, color, shape, everything. Okay, see कितने डिफरेंस हैं, टाइमिंग कितनी अलग अलग है सबकी फ्लोट होने की. ओके, ये इमीडिएटली फ्लोट हो गया मीन्स सिंक डाउन हुआ ही नहीं. क्लोथ हैज़ टेकन सम टाइम लाइक 1 minute. Okay, then to sink down then this key and coin takes no time, immediately it sunk down. Then this feather, thermocol and leaf are still floating into the water. Why? Because they are light in weight. Okay, as well as it depends on the material also. Okay, the material of the objects which is sunk down and floating around into the water. Okay, so I hope that you have understand the topic named float and sink down, which I have taught you yesterday's lecture. Okay, मैंने आपको yesterday's मीन्स कल के लेक्चर में मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था अबाउट फ्लोटिंग एंड सिंकिंग ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. So this is the activity of that topic. Okay students, so I hope that you have understand this topic completely. Okay, if you want to try this activity you can, it is up to you. If you want to try, you can also take a rubber ball, sponge, okay, or stone. There are so many objects around you. Like see, this is squeezed lemon. Okay, squeezed lemon I am just throwing into this. This is also one type of object, so I am throwing into this. It is also floated. Okay, it has not sunk down, it is floated because of its weight. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हाँ अगर इसमें जूस होता तो इट विल टेक टाइम टू संक डाउन, बट यस पहले फ्लोट करता लेकिन धीरे धीरे वो सिंक डाउन हो जाता. ओके, बट इट इज़ विदाउट जूस, इसके अंदर कोई जूस नहीं है. ओके, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ फ्लोटिंग इनटू द वाटर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ व्हाट विल गोइंग टू हैपन व्हेन आई एम throwing one steel ball into this? Now what will going to happen? It immediately sunk down. Okay, because it was heavy in weight. Okay students, now I hope that you have cleared out all the I hope that it is cleared all the questions, all the query which is in your mind. Okay, so students, if you have any query, any question, you can ask me. Okay, or WhatsApp me, call me. Okay students, thank you, and I hope that you have understand this topic clearly. Thank you students.